Okay, hello everybody. Today I just order the new charger for battery, the big capacity like LiPo battery and the image battery. Yes, this is a big one that can charge 4 cell battery that the output for more than 26 ampere and yeah, they can charge dual battery in one time. Yes, and the speed is 3 times faster than before. I think it is small, but really it's very big. Oh, very big. នេះហើយជាឆ្នាំងសាផុសត្រាសា very big ធំរបស់គេអញ្ចឹងបានគេលក់ថ្លៃហ្នឹង Okay, this is a Traxxas charger for LiPo battery charger for fast charge up to 3 times faster than before. 3x faster. This is a smart battery charger with blasters. You see the blasters? They can connect to the app in the smartphone, both iOS and Android OS. They can indicate the real clear information about the battery charging. Okay, let's see all together this charger inside the box. And Traxxas has made very good, excellent battery charger. You can say it is a smart battery charger with good capacity and can charge faster for the big size capacity battery ever. Okay, let's see all together. Now we can open the box. Oh wow! Oh, bigger. The big size, very big. Oh, well packaging, well packaged. This flask, oh, very big. This LiPo charger, very big. The bigger one, oh. Sneak peek, this can charge 4S battery, LiPo battery. Good. Charge function, store, fast balance. It's a button, charge status. Oh, this is all button. Start and stop, press and hold to start, press and hold to start. Treat press and stop harder, the same function, but they charge for dual battery. For the dual battery, you can charge 2 battery per time. This it's plug. So oh, this is a fan. When it hits, it creates a reuse by this fan. Okay. Carbon peak detection. Okay. Thank you for watching.